So it's been about 3 months now since we first planted out our veggie gardens, and the time has come to fill in the gaps of areas where we've already harvested lots of fresh produce. So here is our pak choy we're going to put in the garden. So we'll start off and we just make a little gap in our mulch through to where we can start to feel the soil. I just move my hand around in the bottom of the hole there just to loosen the soil up, and I put in a handful of fresh compost. When I plant my seedling, I hold it strong at the base because what I want to go in the ground is the base of the stem and below. I put it where I want it and then press it in around the edges of my vegetable. Grab some more compost or potting mix and now work your way around the edges of the hole, slowly applying pressure around the roots of your plant and firming it up as you go. Now it feels firm. I give it one final press with both my hands and then I gently put the mulch back around the stem. So now we've added some more vegetables to our garden, it's time to add some companion plants. Whenever we add vegetables, we always add herbs and flowers. So the flower I'm adding today is a viola, and I'm just going to plant it within my vegetables. The herb we're going to add in with this round of planting is some lovely thyme. Thyme can be eaten fresh or dried. It also gets very beautiful little white flowers that attract lots of good friendly bugs to our garden. The final part of planting our seedlings is watering them in at the end. The most important drink of a plant's life is the first one. We want to always water from up and down, never sideways. Imagine that the plants want to feel it just like the rain. Don't be afraid to water too much. At the moment, the vegetable seedlings only have small roots that are just below the surface. This is where it dries out the fastest, so the more water the better when you first plant them.